Welcome back to Conversation to Close, the channel where we break down real estate strategies that help you close more deals and make more money. I'm Sean, and today we're diving into Deal Sniper, the powerful tool that helps you analyze and structure real estate deals quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a wholesaler, flipper, or buy and hold investor, this tool can save you time and increase your deal flow. Let's jump in. So, what exactly is Deal Sniper? Think of it as a real estate deal calculator. It's not just pulling numbers from a single source, it's gathering data from multiple platforms to help you evaluate deals accurately. At its core, Deal Sniper helps you analyze property values and ARVs, determine cash flow potential, structure seller financing or subject to offers, and quickly calculate your max allowable offer. It simplifies the process of making offers, but here's the catch. You need to understand how to use it correctly to make your deals look professional and credible. One of the biggest mistakes I see people make is sending out offers exactly as Deal Sniper generates them, without cleaning them up. Let me show you an example. Deal Sniper might calculate a purchase price of $984,500 with a down payment of $68,915 and a monthly payment of $8,896.67. Now tell me, does that look like something a real estate investor would send? Nope, that looks computer generated. And sellers can spot that from a mile away. A better approach is to round and refine your numbers so they look like they came from a real person, not an algorithm. Instead of a down payment of $68,915, adjust it to $69,000. Instead of $8,896.67, round it to $8,900. This small change makes your offer look clean, intentional, and professional, which increases your chances of getting a seller to accept. Here's how you can make the most of Deal Sniper in your business. Double check all the data. Never assume the tool is 100% accurate. Always verify things like rent estimates, tax records, and ARV. Clean up your numbers, make them look natural. Avoid decimal points and weirdly specific figures. Use it as a starting point. Deal Sniper is great for running quick calculations, but your negotiation skills will determine how good of a deal you actually get. Don't blindly trust the offer it generates. Adjust the numbers based on your knowledge of the market, seller motivation, and deal type. All right, guys, that's your Deal Sniper breakdown. It's a powerful tool, but like anything in real estate, it's all about how you use it. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into real estate investing, and drop a comment below with your biggest takeaway from today's video. And if you want to see Deal Sniper in action, check out the next video where I walk through a live deal analysis using the tool. Until next time, keep closing deals and making moves. See you in the next one.